Hey there, it's Jason here from Hour Forex, and today is December the 5th, 2012. I just want to apologize. I really rushed through the other videos the other day, the last few days. It's been a very busy week for me this week, so I didn't have my full, undivided attention on the charts here. I may have made a few mistakes, so please, don't take it in the wrong way. Just bear with me here. But anyway, let's get on with the trades. So here was the 7 o'clock bar, which is 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, right here, this blue baby right here. Basically, it looks like it opened up and came a little lower, came back up, turned blue, and looked like it was going to shoot up to our 29.50 target. Well, it didn't do that. But let's go and check and make sure it did what we thought it would do. Okay. It did exactly what we thought. Okay, it opened up here, went up a little bit, came down a little bit, and then this one here opened up here, came down, they bought off this level. Okay. See, they basically bought off this low right here and took it up. So you would have got long, I believe, about right there. Okay, didn't hit the target, but no, it's actually lower where you would have got in. Sorry. Yeah, see, it's lower. So you would have got in right there once it turned blue. Okay. Now let me move that out of the way. There we go. So our ultimate target, okay, would have been 29.50, which is 29 pips away. Okay, but it only went up to here. So my rule is get out of the trade on the close of the candle. So if you would have done that, you would have got easily 10, 11 pips. Okay, on the 2 o'clock bar. Now, let's look at this here. So then the 3 o'clock open. It opened up and went a little bit higher, created this wick. I would have loved to seen it go up just a little bit more, up to this area right here, 29.50 or right here, but it didn't quite make it. But anyway, for those of you who looked at this as basically a double top, double tops don't have to be perfect, okay, and also selling off of here. If you would have got short right there, 1 pip as soon as it turned red, okay, your stop would have been up here, never went back up there, and it hit your first target of 33 pips. If you would have held it, okay, would have hit your second target, which is S2, of 74 pips, and even went right down to 28.50, which is there. And for those of you who I tell you, once you get into a big winner like this, and if you're still in it, what you'd do is you'd lock in some pips, move your stop somewhere up here, and let it ride. And as you can see, if you would have got in this trade and held on to it today, well, right now you'd be making 142 pips. Okay? So anyway, that was the 2 o'clock, the 3 o'clock. Here's the 4 o'clock bar. I do not believe there was a trade here. Okay, now let's look at the 8 o'clock bar, which is here. Okay, so basically it opened up. It went right up to these highs. See that? Created this little wick, turned red, sold, off. So you would have got short right here, 1 pip, and would have hit your target of 38 pips. Or if you would have held it to here, you got 47 pips to S3. So that was that trade on 8 o'clock. And this trade here, there was no trade on here. I don't believe there's one, or on this last one either. So there was 1, 2, 3 trades here, all winners. Okay. Let's take a look at the pound here quickly for you guys. Oh yeah, look at this one. Here's our 7 o'clock right here. Did the same thing as the euro basically, but smaller tail. Okay, opened up, came down a little bit. If it would have came down a little bit more, you could have bought it, but no, you couldn't have bought that. Hold on. No, you couldn't have bought that, ladies and gentlemen, because it was 6 pips before the whole number of 56. So there was no trade on 2 o'clock. But look at this sucker here where it opened up, shot up above the pivot, rejected the pivot, basically sold off of right up here in this area. Okay, well, not the best resistance there. But anyway, if you would have got short, let's see. Oh, it doesn't look like. Yeah, it was only 10. It wasn't even 10 pips there either. Well, that really sucked. It sucks. So, but anyway, you could have seen it was a big turnaround and it was a big sell-off. You could have got short here just below the whole number and carried it to S1. And if you would have held it to the close, there was 30 pips on that trade. Okay. Then there was this trade here. This is 9 o'clock. This is 4 o'clock in the morning. Opened up, rallied up. Oh God, it could have done a whole bunch of things. I don't know. Let's go take a quick look here. Okay, we'll look at the 15. Take the auto scroll off. Okay, here it is, the opening. Move. Come on, don't do that to me. Okay. Yeah, it opened up, it ran up. Yeah, when it turned blue, then it come back down. Oh, there's crazy stuff in here. Yeah, I don't think, even if you did get long, is it 10 pips? Oh yeah, you could have got long, I guess, on that one and made 15 pips on the pounds. But anyway, that's pretty much it there. Let's see, where's our 8 o'clock bars right here. Look at this beautiful trade. Opened up, went up, did a double top off the previous hour, kissed S3, basically came back, turned red. You would have sold it, boom, right to the target. There's 17 pips. If you're still in the trade, you'd be making 37 pips. Cool. So there's a few nice trades in the pound as well. You know, and like I said, I don't have time to sit here all day and go through every chart. I'm sure there was trades on the Aussie dollar. I'm sure there's trades on the Swiss too, you know. But like I said, I just mainly use this for the euro. So I'll just, from time to time, look at the pound for you. But I'm not going to cover all these charts. But that's up to you if you want to cover them all and look for trades. You know that some days you'll have better trades on, say, the Swiss or the Aussie dollar than you would maybe on the pound or the euro. If you don't want to miss some trades, well, you got to cover those 4 charts as well. Okay, so that's basically it for the setups today. There was some pips definitely made here on the euro. One trade here, one nice trade here, another sell here. You know, there's pips to be made, and there was no losers on those 3 trades if you did them. Okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Oh, no, we'll not see you tomorrow. I was just going to say, we'll see you tomorrow. No, we won't. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. That is what I always call a trader's holiday. Anything and everything can happen, and usually does twice. So be careful. Try not to trade. If you do, don't risk a lot. I hope you make some pips. We'll see you on Monday.